How often does your grill on your barbecue get really, really dirty? So dirty that even a brush or any type of paper won't actually clean it and won't do. Right now, this is about 2 days old. I grilled some steaks on this. I did a bunch of stuff. It is dirty, grimy. I could feel it. This is where this grill cleaning brick comes in. It doesn't look like much, I know, but this thing works wonders. And I'll show you exactly how it works. You literally, give me some room here, literally just, it'll make a dusty mess. And that's a lot easier to clean than the rest. Look at that. So there will be deposits on this. You don't want to cook right away. You'll need to clean it, but look at what it's doing right now. Those little grill marks, it's going right through. So it's the wedges, it's building up kind of that wedge to reach those hard sideways places on the grill. And I can already see, you can see the difference between the two already. And I haven't even gone that hard on it yet. And I'll show you the grooves. Look at those grooves. They are the ones that are working really, really hard. It is a pumice brick. You'll be able to do more than one clean of a barbecue with these. This will not be used completely. But it's about 3 cleans will go per brick. So once you've completed the entire grill, all you need to do is a little bit of water and a paper towel. Just wipe off the excess because there is that kind of excess of that stone. And once that's done, you will be left with a brand new looking grill. It's incredible.